also known as Pastor Winning. Yeah, today itopic efuna ukukhuluma ngayo nje issue efuna ukukhuluma ngayo ile yama-cherry yama-lady amantombazane athanda ukuthi wona into ifuna indoda enemali mina ngifuna indoda enemali mina ngifuna indoda enemoto mina ngifuna this and that endodeni yabona. Why don't you lead by example? If wena ufuna indoda enemali, why don't you start first ube wena nemali usebenze ube nomzi wakho ube nendlu yakho whatever ufuna endodeni, why don't you work for it ube wena obonayo yabona. Lead by example ngani yakwethu yabona. Stop lento yokuthi yena ufuna in this and that endodeni yabona. That is why most abantu abaningi abantu besifazane beyuzwa amadoda because they don't have anything bafuna barelay emadodeni that's this and that yabona. So please, if wena whatever ufunayo, if wena ufuna indoda enemali, ufuna indoda enemoto, ufuna indoda enomuzi, ufuna indoda ecebile, please lead by example. Qala wena, work hard for yourself, work hard for your future.